Hello everyone, it's Big Bang experiment time again. Today, we are going to uncover the mystery of black holes. Step 1. Ask your question. My question would be, how does the star move before passing the event horizon line in a black hole? Step 2. Make a hypothesis. My hypothesis is that a star will be in a circular orbit right up until it passes the event horizon. Why don't we make our own black hole to find out? Step 3. Do an experiment. Before we start, let's get your grown-up and gather your materials. First, we'll need to cut out this quarter-shaped circle on your worksheet. Cut along the dotted line and make sure to cut this little circle at the bottom of the shape. You should have something like this when you are done. Now, use this shape to trace and cut out similar shapes out of the craft papers. Repeat this step until you have 4 shapes. Now it's time for us to design our black hole. Feel free to draw, color, or decorate your black hole however you like. We can move on when you are done. Alright chipsters, so it's time for us to put the black hole together to give it its shape. Make sure to position them before you tape them together. All 4 of them put together should form a circle like this. Alright, now first, let's tape 2 pieces together. Repeat this step once again with the other 2 quarter circles. You should have 2 semicircles like this. Now let's combine both these semicircles. Position them and then tape one of the sides together. All the sides of the black hole should be taped except one. Before we tape this side, make sure to overlap it a little bit more. This will give our black hole a more curved cone shape. Once you have taped the final side, you should have a very shallow cone just like this. Make sure that it has a hole at the bottom. This will be our event horizon line. Get a paper cup in front of you and place the cone on top of the paper cup. Now, let's test this out together. Grab a handful of these little balls. They will represent stars for our experiment. Push the ball horizontally along the black hole and let's observe. If you want, you can add more balls simultaneously to see if it has a different effect. Great job, chipsters! Now you got your very own black hole model. Step 4. Observe and analyze. Now that we have our black hole model, let's make some key observations. Because the gravity of a black hole is so strong, the star orbits around it a couple of times before disappearing. Step 5. Draw a conclusion. It seems that my hypothesis was correct, that the star will continue its orbit right until it disappears at the event horizon. Did you know, in space, a black hole will pull the atmosphere of the star before fully engulfing it? Chipsters, do you think that different sizes of stars will affect our results? Try out different objects at your home and report to me next time. See you!
Thanks for watching. Want to join Astrid on a space adventure? Sign up now and get started with a free trial. See you soon!